You probably use it on your toast, in your cooking, or to bake the perfect cookie. But have you ever wondered how butter is made, and why watching the process is so oddly satisfying? Today, we're going behind the scenes of one of the world's most beloved ingredients. From green pastures to golden blocks of creamy goodness, this is the mesmerizing journey of butter. Before we dive in, quick question for you: salted or unsalted butter? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who wins! Our butter journey begins here, in the open fields where dairy cows graze in lush green pastures. What many people don't realize is that a cow's mood can directly impact the richness of its milk. A relaxed, well-fed cow enjoying sunshine and fresh grass produces milk that's creamier and richer in butterfat. Stress them out with bad weather, poor diet, or even unfamiliar surroundings, and their milk supply can drop faster than butter melting on a hot pancake. Farmers go to great lengths to keep these cows content. Their feed isn't just random grass, it's precision-harvested forage, chopped into small pieces by massive machines, so it's easier to digest and packed with nutrients. This forage is turned into silage, fermented in giant bunkers or silos to preserve it. Thanks to this, cows get a consistent, energy-rich diet all year round, no matter the season. A single cow can produce 30 to 35 liters of milk every day. Multiply that by a large dairy farm with thousands of cows, and you're looking at over 50,000 liters collected daily, enough to make thousands of sticks of butter. Modern milking parlors are designed with cow comfort in mind. Their soft lighting, optimal temperatures, and sometimes even soothing music. Robotic milking systems gently mimic a calf's suckling motion, reducing stress while efficiently collecting milk. The happier the cow, the better the butter. Once milk is collected, it's chilled below 4 degrees Celsius and transported in insulated tankers to keep it fresh. At the factory, the journey to butter begins with one of the most mesmerizing sights in dairy production: cream separation. Picture this: massive centrifuges spinning at over 7,000 revolutions per minute, creating a force that separates the rich, golden cream from the skim milk. This isn't just for show. The cream used for butter has about 35 to 40% butterfat, the ideal level for churning smooth, creamy butter. And here's something most people don't know. Butter isn't made from whole milk. It's this high-fat cream that's the star of the show. Meanwhile, the leftover skim milk, it's pasteurized and packaged as drinking milk or sent off to become cheese, making sure nothing is wasted. In modern dairy plants, these separators are so precise they can extract cream with butterfat content down to a fraction of a percent accuracy. Before churning can begin, the cream is pasteurized. It's heated gently, usually to around 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, killing harmful bacteria while preserving its delicate, fresh flavor. Pasteurization ensures butter is both safe and delicious. Now comes the satisfying part: churning. Industrial churns gently agitate the cream, breaking down fat membranes so they can stick together. At first, the cream thickens like whipped cream. After 20 to 30 minutes, you'll start to see soft, golden granules of butter form, separating from the liquid buttermilk. The buttermilk left behind during churning isn't discarded. It's packed with flavor and nutrients, and is used for making biscuits, pancakes, and baked goods. Nothing in this process goes to waste. Watching butter form is like seeing alchemy in action. Liquid cream turning into solid gold right before your eyes. After the butter granules form, they're washed with cold water. This step removes any remaining buttermilk, preventing sour flavors and helping the butter stay fresh longer. The water that runs off looks cloudy. That's the last of the buttermilk being rinsed away. Then the butter enters the working stage. Specialized machines knead, press, and blend it into a smooth, creamy consistency. If making salted butter, this is when salt is added, not just for taste, but as a natural preservative. In medieval Europe, salted butter was so valuable it was sometimes used as currency, especially in regions where salt was scarce. People would trade salted butter like gold. The working stage also helps distribute moisture evenly, giving butter that perfect texture you expect when you spread it on toast. Now, the butter is molded into familiar shapes: sticks, blocks, or large bulk portions for restaurants and bakeries. High-speed machines handle the task, shaping and wrapping thousands of sticks per minute. These machines are so precise they can package butter in foil, vacuum-sealed wraps, or tubs without a single smear out of place. U.S. regulations allow up to 16% water content in butter. That small amount of water is key to its creamy, spreadable texture. Before the butter leaves the factory, it undergoes one last quality check. Experts test for moisture content, texture, smoothness, and taste. Only the batches that meet strict standards make it onto store shelves. Butter might look the same everywhere, but cultures around the world have their own traditions. In France, butter is often cultured and formed into round patties. In India, ghee, clarified butter, is used both in cooking and religious ceremonies. And in some artisanal dairies, butter is aged like cheese to develop deep, complex flavors. These specialty butters can sell for over $100 per pound. So next time you unwrap a stick of butter, remember, it's not just an ingredient, it's the result of centuries of farming, science, and craft, all coming together in that creamy golden block. Which part of the butter-making process did you find most satisfying? Was it the churning, the molding, or maybe that high-speed packaging? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes journeys into how everyday things are made.